Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Now we will see the continuation of the sample Prathmik question paper, model question paper. We have done already 3 videos on this. So this is the continuation of the previous video, 4th video for the sample question paper Prathmik. Now we go to the 14th question. किसी एक कहानी का सारांश लिखिए. So we are going to try about a story given. First question कवि और कंजूस. सेकेंड वन एकता का फल. थर्ड वन दूध में पानी. कवि और कंजूस already it is available in my playlist, poem playlist and Prathmik playlist. You also go through the sample question paper in the playlist of my channel Plan and Practice Hindi. So today we are going to see the second one एकता का फल, because दूध में पानी and the story Kavi or Kanjus already I have given in my playlist. So now we will see Ekta ka Phal. So now we will go to the Saransh, Kahani ka Saransh. So Ekta ka Phal means unitedly if you stand, what is the result we are going to get? A result of being united. That is the story. एक शिकारी था, there was a hunter. उसने एक दिन जंगल में चावल के दाने बिखेर कर उन पर जाल बिछाया. So he threw some rice, grains and paddy and he put a net for catching birds, especially the pigeon. वह झाड़ी के पीछे जाकर छिप गया. He went and hid himself the backside of the bush. He went and hid himself in the backside of the bush, trees, and there were some trees. So he went and hid there so that the birds will come and take the grains. थोड़ी देर में कबूतर का एक झुंड उड़ते हुए उस ओर आया. So in some time there were a bunch of pigeon flew and came that side. इस झुंड का मुखिया चित्रगीत था. So there was a leader for that bunch of birds, pigeon, and his name was Chitragip. वह बड़ा बुद्धिमान था. So he was very intelligent and wise. Chitragip was very intelligent and wise. कबूतरों ने दाने को देखकर उसने उनको नीचे उतरकर दाने चुगने की इच्छा हुई. So by seeing the grains, rice and paddy which were thrown over the net, they didn't know it was a net, but they saw the rice and they were very happy to see it and want to have them, want to eat them. They started liking to go and eat those rice. यह जानकर चित्रगीत ने कहा, इस निर्जन वन में दाने कहाँ से आए? यह सोचकर ही हमें उतरना है. So he was the leader Chitragip. He said the jungle was very pure. It was deserted we say. The forest was very deserted. No one were there. It was very silent. And how did the grains come here? How did the rice come? Rice being thrown. So we should be wise enough to understand the situation and then only get down. He started instructing the birds because he was the leader of the bunch of birds. लेकिन अन्य कबूतरों ने चित्रगीत की बात नहीं मानी. But other birds were not listening to the leader चित्रगीत. सब कबूतर दाने चुगने नीचे उतरे और वे जाल में फंस गए. So what did the pigeons all do? They did not listen to Chitragip. They all got down to they want to pick the grains. They want to pick the paddy. They want to pick all these grains and enjoy it. So they started coming down and they got trapped. They got trapped in the net which was put by the hunter. They all got caught. They got stuck in the net and they could not come out of the net. अब कबूतर एक दूसरे की निंदा करने लगे. So they started blaming each other because they did not listen to Chitragip. And they started blaming each other. They started criticizing each other. चित्रगीत उसने बोला पहले हम मन से जाल लेकर उड़ेंगे फिर बचने का उपाय सोचेंगे. So first what we will do, we all will get together. We all be united with single mind, with one mind we all will fly together along with the net. Then we will think of getting ourselves free from the net. So then we will think of escaping from the net, but first of all we all will fly from here along with the net. He started instructing the birds. चित्रगीत started instructing the birds. सब कबूतर जाल लेकर उड़े. So all the birds, all the pigeons, as per the instruction of the leader Chitragip, they started flying. सारे कबूतर एक नदी के किनारे उतरे. So in the river bank and river side, they all got down along with the net together. वहां एक चूहा रहता था. So there was a mouse who was living there in that river bank. वह चित्रगीत का दोस्त था. So the mouse was a friend of चित्रगीत, the leader of the birds. उसने जाल काटकर कबूतरों को आजाद किया. So the mouse cut all the net and made the birds and the pigeon free, liberated and independent from the net, and the birds all flew away. So this is the story in short. सीख, moral of the story, अनुभव का तिरस्कार आपत्ति को बुलाना है. So what do you see, whenever we ignore a person with experience saying something, so we end up in some problem. So we should always listen to a person who is leading us or a person with experience. So once we start listening to them, then we will not find any problem in the life. So we have to write the story. एकता का फल. Now we go to the 15th question. किन्हीं 5 वाक्यों का अनुवाद प्रांतीय भाषा में कीजिए. So they have given some sentences in Hindi. We have to write them in our regional language or English. First one, आप यहाँ आइए. आप means you. यहाँ means here. आइए come. So come here is the meaning of this sentence. आप यहाँ आइए, come here. Second question, मैं पाठशाला जाता हूँ. मैं means I. पाठशाला school. जाता means go. So the meaning of the sentence मैं पाठशाला जाता हूँ is I go to school. I go to school. मैं पाठशाला जाता हूँ. I go to school is the answer for the second question. Third question, तुम यहाँ लिखते, तुम क्या लिखते हो. तुम means you, क्या means what, लिखते means to write. So तुम क्या लिखते हो, what do you write. What do you write. तुम क्या लिखते हो, what do you write. The answer for the third question is what do you write. Fourth question, पिताजी खत लिख रहे हैं. पिताजी means father, खत means letter, लिख means to write. So पिताजी खत लिख रहे हैं. Father is writing a letter. पिताजी खत लिख रहे हैं. Father is writing a letter. Answer for the fourth question is father is writing a letter. Fifth question, Sita ne char aam kharide. Char aam means 4 mangoes. Sita ne means Sita bought. Kharidna is to buy. Bought. Buy in past tense is bought. So we have to write Sita bought 4 mangoes. Sita ne char aam kharide. Sita bought 4 mangoes. So answer for the fifth question is Sita bought 4 mangoes. Sixth question, Balak ne Chand ko pakadna chaha. Balak means boy. Chaha means want. Pakadna to catch. Chand means moon. So boy wanted to catch the moon. Balak ne Chand ko pakadna chaha. Boy wanted to catch the moon. So answer for the sixth question is boy wanted to catch the moon. Seventh question, Netaji Bhashan de chuke. So Netaji is the name of the person. Bhashan means lecture. De chuke means finished giving. So Netaji finished giving lecture. Netaji Bhashan de chuke. Netaji finished giving lecture. Eighth question, मुझे एक कलम चाहिए. मुझे means I. एक means one. कलम means pen. चाहिए means want. I want a pen. मुझे एक कलम चाहिए. I want a pen. मुझे एक कलम चाहिए. I want a pen. Answer for the eighth question is I want a pen. Next we go to the 16th question. Last question of this question paper. किन्हीं 4 वाक्यों का अनुवाद हिंदी में दीजिए. So they have given the sentences in English. We have to write they have given the sentences in English as well as in the region language. So we have to write this sentence in Hindi now. First question, take this paper. Take means lena. So in this case, lo. This means yeah. Paper means kagas. Yeah, kagas lo. Take this paper. Yeah, kagas lo. Take this paper. Yeah, kagas lo. Answer for the first question is yeah, kagas lo. Second question, Gopal is playing in the playground. Gopal is the name of the person. Playing means it is continuous sentence. So खेल रहा है. It is a masculine continuous. खेल रहा है. Playground is मैदान. गोपाल मैदान में खेल रहा है. Gopal is playing in the playground. गोपाल मैदान में खेल रहा है. It is a masculine continuous used in this sentence. Gopal is playing in the playground. Gopal मैदान में खेल रहा है. Answer for the second question is Gopal मैदान में खेल रहा है. Third question, we shall work in the garden. We means हम. Garden means बगीचे. In means में. Work means काम. So shall means will. It is a future tense. करेंगे. करना will become करेंगे. करेंगे plural. It is plural. And it is future tense. Future plural. करेंगे. हम बगीचे में काम करेंगे. We shall work in the garden. हम बगीचे में काम करेंगे. Answer for the third question, हम बगीचे में काम करेंगे. Fourth question, when did you reach Calcutta? When means कब. Reach means पहुंचे. You means तुम. तुम कलकत्ता कब पहुंचे. When did you reach Calcutta? तुम कलकत्ता कब पहुंचे. It is a question. तुम कलकत्ता कब पहुंचे. Then question mark we have to put. Fifth question, the horse ran fast. Fast means तेज we say in Hindi. Ran means दौड़ा. It's Patsan. So दौड़ा. दौड़ना will become दौड़ा. The horse means घोड़ा. Goda tej dauda. The horse ran fast. Goda Ghoda tej dauda. The horse ran fast. Ghoda tej dauda. Answer for the fifth question is Ghoda tej dauda. Sixth question. How many chapatis did you eat? How many? Kitni. Chapati, roti. Eat means खाई. So, तुमने कितनी रोटियां खाई? How many chapatis did you have? Question mark will come. So, similarly, we have to put the question mark when we write Hindi sentence. तुमने कितनी रोटियां खाई? तुमने कितनी रोटियां खाई is the answer for the sixth question. Seventh one, I wanted to buy a mirror. Mirror means आईना. Buy means खरीदना. Wanted means चाहा. I means मैंने एक आईना खरीदना चाहा. I wanted to buy a mirror. मैंने एक आईना खरीदना चाहा. I wanted to buy a mirror. मैंने एक आईना खरीदना चाहा is the answer for the seventh question. Eighth question, he can do this work. Work means काम. He means वह. Can do कर सकता. This means यह. He can do this work. वह यह काम कर सकता है. वह यह काम कर सकता है. He can do this work. वह यह काम कर सकता है is the answer for the eighth question. So we have completed the complete sample question paper or the model question paper for Pratmik. I have given 4 videos for this. I have given that in the description box. Also, I have given the list for my playlist in my channel. You can see the description box and click the link to view all this question paper and the lessons, poem, stories of Pratmik in my channel. Hope you all understood. Thank you.